So hey everyone, today we're back again with another unboxing video, and that's gonna be our new Zebronics Jukebar 3902. Without wasting much time, let's directly jump into the unboxing then. Okay, so first things first, we have a Zebronics subwoofer. Looks good, quite a good finish. The mesh is also good, and the fit and finish is good, and the output that goes into the soundbar is also there. Okay, we'll look at it later. Then next we have our soundbar. Looks pretty good. Let's unwrap it. Yeah, the mesh looks pretty good as well. This is very satisfying. Quite a glossy finish, and other side there's a mesh. The glossy finish looks good. And let's quickly see what and all ports it has now. The first one, if you see, there's our aux cable, and next we have the optical connection that's provided. Then the HDMI or the TV ARC, and the USB as well, another DC that goes directly to the power adapter, and the subwoofer output. So this is where the subwoofer output gets connected. So here we have our power adapter who directly goes into the socket, and the other end goes into our soundbar. And let's see what do we have in another cover that was provided. Mostly a remote control, yes. And let's see if they have batteries provided. No, disappointing. The batteries are not provided, which you will have to buy it separately. Okay, the aux cable, let's check the length quickly. Okay, looks a pretty good length, around a meter. Yep, it's around 1 meter. And what else do we have here? Okay, these are something that's the wall mounters, and the necessary screws also provided with it. And if at all you want to mount the soundbar onto the wall, you can use them, and a quick QR code to read the instructions as well. With our connections, quickly going and plugging in the socket, the power adapter, and connecting it to the DC in, and then we have to plug in our subwoofer's output, which goes into the SW out, that is the subwoofer out. That's it, I guess. And then we'll quickly turn it on. That the look and finish looks good. We'll turn it on. Okay, you see that red light. Let's quickly make some Bluetooth connections and check now. So let's put some batteries and turn the Zebronics Jukebar on. Okay, quickly adding the batteries, and let's and let's try to turn it on there. Okay, the red light's on already. Okay, a peaceful, pleasant music saying it's turned on. Let's try to get it connected using the Bluetooth. Let me turn on the Bluetooth. Let's search for, yes, there it is, Zeb Jukebar 3902. So it says it's connected, and you could also hear pleasant music there. So let's try with a couple of Bluetooth connections, and let's see the quality of the songs. Let's try to play some music. Okay. So you could hear like the bass is really good here, and even the music that started at the start was also very pleasant, and like there was no any breakages of the sound, and it's coming crystal clean.